Planning to travel to Japan but running short on time? The Emergency Japan eVisa helps eligible travelers apply online and choose a faster processing option when travel plans are urgent. Japan offers expedited processing options for situations where regular processing may take too long. These options are useful for sudden travel needs, last-minute plans, or urgent trips. There are two faster processing choices available. First is rush processing. This option speeds up the review of your application compared to standard processing. It usually takes around 20 to 26 working days and is suitable if you still have some time before travel. Next is super rush processing. This is the fastest option available for the Japan eVisa. It generally takes about 14 to 20 working days and is recommended for urgent travel cases. When applying, you simply select the processing speed that best matches your travel timeline. Faster processing comes with a higher service fee, but it reduces waiting time. All applications are submitted online, and updates are shared by email once processing begins. If your travel date is approaching, choosing the right processing speed can help you receive your Japan eVisa sooner and avoid delays.